In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and reveal part of an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open a PowerPoint presentation. This is a presentation slide that I have taken as an example. As you can see here, the whole slide is a picture. Because of that, we cannot add animations to the text or any other objects. But there is a trick to do this. First, you have to add a rectangle shape. You can add it from here, or you can go to Insert. In the menu bar, go to Shapes. Select a rectangle shape and place it over the text. In the menu bar, change the shape fill to your slide's background. In my case, it will be white. Change the shape outline to no outline. In the title bar, click on Animations. Remember that we will not select the animations that are shown here. We have to click on the More option. From here, we will select Exit Animations. The animations that we saw earlier were entry animations. From the Exit section, select one to your liking. Now let's go to the next slide. Just like before, place rectangle shapes on top of the text. Change the shape fill and outline just like before. Now select a shape that you want to show first and go to Animations again. Select an exit animation for this also. Repeat the process for the rest of the shapes. Now let's go to slideshow mode. Here you can see that the text part of the slide is hidden. Now you talk about your subject first, such as the geosphere. And then, when you click your mouse or keyboard, the details about the subject are shown. You can see it in the third slide also.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.